From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Well, it's been a cool afternoon, especially by October standards across much of Pennsylvania. Temperatures this afternoon only topping out in the lower 50s from central off to the southeastern Pennsylvania. Northern Pennsylvania only getting into the lower 40s. Bradford sitting at only 41 degrees as of almost 3:30 on your Thursday afternoon. And with that, the wind out there has been making it feel a little bit chillier, especially across central Pennsylvania. 14, 15 mile an hour winds currently in much of Center County off to the east. Much of the same, generally 5 to 10, some spots of 15 miles per hour right now in eastern Pennsylvania, making it feel a little bit more chilly. And now as we look at a view over Nittany Valley this afternoon, beautiful blue skies right now, 50 degrees. And the visibility certainly high because dew points are low. And remember, when we see dew points in the lower 20s, that's telling us there's not much moisture in the atmosphere, so we can see a long way. If you've been out taking a hike this afternoon, you will definitely be enjoying the views under those blue skies and somewhat warm conditions relative to what we will see this week. So looking at the satellite and radar this afternoon, not much to see on the radar end of things, but the satellite is picking up some puffy cumulus clouds streaming off of Lake Erie, and those are some lake effect clouds actually, because the warmer water of Lake Erie, we have some colder air blowing over top of that, and that's provided a little bit of instability. So some cumulus clouds have formed this afternoon, although much of the state has seen clear blue skies as you head off to the southeast. It's been a wonderful late fall afternoon, or at least feeling like it. We're only in mid-October. Looking at the radar and satellite across the nation, notice a lot of moisture, cloud cover, some rain showing up in the radar at this hour, streaming out of the southern plains. And as we look up into Canada, it's kind of obscured by the tidal bar, but that's another system streaming out of the lower Canadian provinces. And what that's going to do is it's going to pick up some of this moisture and provide a chance for some rainfall in here late on Friday night, and especially as we go into the day on Saturday. Now looking at temperatures, it's been rather cool across the northeast today, with temperatures not getting out of the 40s in many areas, but it's been a warm day across much of the plains, from the central to the northern plains. Temperatures approaching 70 degrees even near the Canadian border. A nice day in Bismarck this afternoon, and some of that air will try to make its way in here tomorrow, but I think due to some clouds, we'll only get as warm as Chicago is right now at 56 degrees, but still a welcome change because that will be the warmest we get in the next 7 days. But now as we look at how the weather pattern is going to shape up over the next few days by looking at simulated radar reflectivity and cloud cover this evening, notice that it will be a very clear night tonight, and with high pressure noted by these diverging wind streamlines across the Ohio Valley. That means that temperatures will be falling overnight tonight, and we won't see anything in the way of cloud cover, so it will be a cool night. Make sure to bring in any sensitive plants overnight tonight, as temperatures will fall into the lower 30s in many areas across Center County. As we go into the day tomorrow, winds will turn out of the southwest. Notice some cloud cover moves in, and that's ahead of a cold front that will bring cooler temperatures for Saturday, beginning Saturday, and especially as we head into the day on Sunday. Now, as we take a closer look at Pennsylvania for the day on Saturday, late in the night, Friday is when rain will arrive in western Pennsylvania, but all of Pennsylvania can expect to see at least scattered showers for the day on Saturday. But those will move out rather quickly as we go into Sunday. So recapping the forecast for State College overnight tonight, mostly clear, cold, and frosty out there, even in town. The potential for some frost getting down to 33 degrees overnight tonight. And as we look into the day tomorrow, it'll start out cool, but we will finish rather warm with partly cloudy skies getting up into the upper 50s with some high clouds moving in later in the day. Now, looking at the 7-day forecast, I mentioned tomorrow will be the warmest of the next 7 because Saturday will have some scattered showers, but those will move out for the day on Sunday, and temperatures will struggle to rise, starting out in the mid-30s Sunday morning, only getting to the lower 40s in the afternoon. As we go into next week, not much warmer, only into the lower 50s for Monday and Tuesday, and another cold front is on the horizon for Wednesday.